What's up everybody, it's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. We're hanging out in the cul-de-sac to show you another killer van slash RV slash box van. This thing is cool, but it's going to be even cooler once this customer is completely done with it. However, its first step to bringing this thing to life is putting a lift kit on it. And hey, you know what? The guys at Weldtec right here are really good at doing just that. So if you're looking to upgrade your suspension, we got all kinds of options for you. Now this particular customer went with a 5-inch kit up on the front of this. That's gonna be the lift spindle and the coil spacer up there to give it all the lift. Now to control the ride, of course, we're keeping it simple on this one, guys. Fox shocks in the front, Fox shocks in the rear, and a block and U-bolt. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to lift your van, motor, home, or box van, this is definitely going to be a great option for you. And what's even better is most of these parts, I mean, really all of these parts are really simple to install. So if you're thinking about doing this in your driveway, it is completely doable. Now this does still have that factory tire on there, but you can see that there is so much more room for fun here. And typically on this kit, we will go with like a 17-inch wheel from the 16 and run a 285 70 17 tire. And if you're gonna stay with the 16, then that's where that 75 comes in, 285 75 16. And now what's really cool about this as well is this is only a single rear wheel in the back. So it's gonna give you the ability to run the same wheel and same tire in the front and in the rear, which is really nice. I definitely look forward to seeing this all built out. Now check this out. This is what's really cool about this is when you get into a box van like this, it's completely opened on the inside of it. Now you can see that he's doing the insulation in the walls. You can also see the cutouts where he's going to do the windows in here as well. So definitely will be a cool build out. He's building this out so that he can go skiing. And then, hey, you know what? This will be for sale. So maybe in a year, if you're looking for something like this, you'll be able to hit him up and be like, dude, I loved your box van. I want to buy it. And he just builds another one every year, which is really, really cool. Definitely like these unique builds. I love seeing just how creative and the skills that so many people have to build out cool vehicles like this. Obviously, me, not so good at wood and electrical, so I would be lost on the inside. However, I'm here to help you with the outside. So if you have any questions about a build like this, bumpers for the front, rear, all kinds of other things, that's what Weldtec Designs is great for. So let me know. That's what the comment section is down below. Real quick walkthrough, showing you guys a 5-inch kit on a Chevy Express box van, future camper van. Look forward to the comments down below, and otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video.